How's it going, everybody? This is Mike with Need Apple Tech, and today I'm going to go ahead and give you some pound for pound information. All right. Now, I don't know that if you actually have kids, but if you don't have kids, I'm pretty sure you still heard the buzz about the game Roblox. All right. Roblox, Roblox, Roblox. If you're ready for this information that I'm about to drop, go ahead and press the like button. And don't please forget to press the subscribe button, please. And also press that bell so that way you never miss a beat when I drop gems. All right. Now, what I want to go ahead and just inform you that Roblox has opened up the IPO to be able to start investing into them in the stock market. All right. So it's very, very fresh. Okay. Now, it's going to go up. It's going to go down. It's going to go up and it's going to go down. Just know that. Now, it is a risk by you actually going inside of a new company and you're thinking that you're giving high hopes and it could flunk. It can just actually go straight down and you lose all your money. But if you know your history and you do your due diligence and know the history about that company or whatever type of thing that you're investing in, then you can see your return, maybe like not into other people's eyes, but you can see a different return, and then voila, you can be like a Warren Buffett, seeing something that a lot of people other than see, and then wow, you're a millionaire, billionaire. All right, you're taken care of. All right, so enough of me talking about that. Let's go ahead and tune in. So as of right now, I'm gonna go ahead and go to stash. And now I'm just going to go ahead and go into size stash. Okay, perfect. Now, I don't know if it's going to go ahead and show you right now. But okay, it's not showing it right now. Yeah, it's not showing it right now. All right. Now, here's the crazy part about it. I totally forgot about it. Normally, I put my text message alert on so that way I can get the party invite, which is right here. And make sure you get those free stocks and make sure you get a reminder. It's very easily. Go ahead and click on get a reminder. This is a whole nother different topic that I talked about in another video on how you can get free stock. Okay. But the reason why I'm saying this is because it came to a point is where it was like maybe a minute and 58 seconds left. And some just told me, I was looking through my email. Now, the email I called and it said something about stash party. I said, whoa, I forgot. Let me go ahead and go back in there. I logged in. I only had, I kid you not, I had less than 2 minutes. If you want me to drop that video, go ahead and press the number 1 down below in the comments. All right. If you want me to go ahead and drop that video, press the number 1 in the comments. And I'm going to go ahead and post that as soon as possible if I see that in the comments. All right. Now, so I'm rushing. I go ahead and log in. I press claim. I'm like, whew, that was the biggest thing. I just need to go ahead and log in and press the claim so that way I can claim that free stock. All right. So as I start scrolling up, I'm just want to go ahead and see what stock that I actually got for free. I scroll down, ladies and gentlemen, and I get one of the very first one. Like, this is just by wonderful great luck. Thanks, shout out to everybody that was in the stash party tonight, and we all actually joined together as a united union and got a free stock of the first and only Roblox stocks. All right. Now, we didn't get we don't know how much fraction we got. They're doing a calculation of it right now. But just note that when you all put in the comments the number 1, I'm going to go ahead and drop that video. All right. Now, the reason why I'm coming to this about is because that this is something that's very, very high in demand right now. Now, let me go ahead and log back inside the stash. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the market. All right. And so I'm going to go ahead and type in Roblox. All right, perfect. Roblox Corp. And if anybody need that ticker symbol, it's going to be RBLX. Again, it's going to be RBLX. It's going to be named out Roblox Corp. Okay, so as you can see, this is how fresh it is. I can click on all. You don't see any charts. I can click on 5 years. You don't see anything. I click on 1 year. You still do not see anything. I click on 1 month. You still do not see anything. And I click on 1 week and you still do not see anything. Is it broke? No. Let me go ahead and click on something else. Let's go ahead and click on, let's see, Citigroup. All right. If I click on that one, if I click on all, 5 years, 1 year, 1 month, 1 week, I'm definitely seeing a chart. If I go back, Roblox. All right, and I know I was probably typing that incorrectly, but Roblox. So take your mindset and put your mind on the front fourth, okay? This is a very popular game. My kids love it. Pretty sure your kids love it. Kids, you play it. Invest into that game that you are playing. We didn't actually, when we grew up, we didn't actually have the means to be able to, I mean, you could have, but it wasn't as easy to be able to invest in the company of the video game that you're playing and saying that I own a piece of this game. Yeah, I built it. Yeah, my team built it. Oh yeah, the team that I put my money into because it was IPO and opened up to the public, and I own a fraction of that company. Yeah, you have the rights to say that.